Hi friends! We're going to do a little subtraction game today. Remember last week we talked about how subtraction is kind of the opposite of adding. Where adding, you're putting two things together. When you're subtracting, you're taking some pieces away. So today what we're going to do, we're going to have, we have a little sheet. I have a little spinner. You don't need to have a spinner to play this though. You can use dice. You could use a spinner, you could use playing cards, almost anything that has numbers on it, okay? And then I'm also going to use Pom Poms. I don't know what this is doing in there. So I'm also going to use Pom Poms. All right, so here we go. First, I'm going to spin. I got the number 0, which is not going to help me. I'm going to spin again. Okay, the number 5. So I'm going to write the 5 in the first line of my number sentence. Okay? And then I'm going to count out 5 pom-poms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I'm going to pick one of these colors to take away. So I think I'm going to take away the red. Let's see, 1, 2. 2 is what I'm taking away. I'm going to write that in my second space of my number sentence. And then I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write that at the end of my number sentence. Then I'm going to say it all together. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, let's try it again. 2. All right. I'm going to count. First, I'm going to write 2 in my first number, space for a number. And then I'm going to count out 2 pom-poms. Ready? 1, 2. This time, I'm going to take away the white ones. How many white ones do I have? That's right, 1. So I'm going to write 1, my second space. And then I'm going to count how many I have left. So how many pom-poms do I have left? That's right, 1. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to read my number sentence all together. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see. 3. I landed on 3. So I'm going to count out 3 pom-poms. I'm going to just take a handful and then I'm going to count out 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write 3 in my first space in my number sentence. Okay. This time I think I'm going to take away the green. So how many green are there? That's right, 1. So now in my number sentence, I have 3 minus 1. And how many pom-poms are left? 1, 2. Okay, so I have 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, let's spin it, my spinner. I'm going to try again for a bigger number. Let's see. Oh, perfect. All right, 7. Here we go, friends. I'm going to take a big handful and I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I'm going to write it in the first space on my number sentence. I'll write the number 7. All right, so I think I'm going to take away all the red ones. Let me see how many red ones do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 on my second line. And now I have how many left? 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to say my number sentence all together. 7 minus 4 equals 3. All right. It's on the line. I'm going to spin it again. 0. Oh my goodness, friends. 1. I need a bigger number than that. Okay. 5. right. I'm going to count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm going to write it on my first line in my number sentence. So I have 5. I'm going to take away the white ones. So let's see, 1, 2. I have 2 white pom-poms. I'm going to write that on my second line, and then I'm going to count how many are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add that at my third space on my number line, and then I'm going to read my number sentence all together. 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, my friends, this is the last one. I hope I get a good spin. 5 again. Let's do a different one. 0. Oh my goodness. Oh. Let's see. Let's do a real spin. Oh my goodness, friends. 3. All right, let's do 3. So I'm going to write that in my first space. I'm going to pick out 1, 2, 3. At this time, I'm going to take away the brown. And how many brown pom-poms do I have? Let's write 1. So I'm going to write 1 in the second space. And then how many pom-poms do I have left? 1, 2. And then I'm going to read my number sentence all together. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Thanks for subtracting with me today, friends. I'll see you next time.